Thanks for joining me. This is my video and review about PIC-TIME 2.0, which I show you how you can turn your client galleries into a wow effect and create even some passive income from it. Stop sending just Google Drive links or Dropbox links to your client and not impress them. Over the past 15 years as a professional photographer and videographer, I have learned one important thing. It's to impress your client, not just with your content, also with how they will review the content. My name is Mike, and in this video I will show you my experience using PIC-TIME with real life examples. I will show you how you can use it and give you my honest review. In the past I have used other platforms such as PIXIEset, which is good for beginners. PIC-TIME instead is a powerhouse for advanced print sales, marketing automation and luxury client experience. If you want this for your clients, then this is the perfect tool for you. Here's what I will show you in this video. What are the key features of PIC-TIME 2.0, how to use PIC-TIME and connect Adobe Lightroom for an efficient workflow, how to deliver your photos and videos to your client, how to upsell your clients to make some passive income, and how the built-in print store, art gallery and blog post features works. So let's be real for a second. You shoot your client projects, weddings or brand content, and then you put all your work into the edits and you send a simple link to your client. There is no wow effect. Nobody is going to open a Google Drive folder and think, whoa, such an amazing experience watching the content, or should I order a print from this? This is not gonna happen. And that's the problem. You want to impress and surprise your client. You want the wow effect the moment they open their gallery link. Most photographers think they get paid once, shoot, deliver, done. That's where PIC-TIME comes in. And before we dive in, yes, this video is sponsored by PIC-TIME, but as always, this is my honest review as I'm using it for the past year. So let's come first, what's new in PIC-TIME 2.0? So PIC-TIME just dropped their 2.0 update and they're basically rebuilt the entire gallery experience. The look, the feel, the shop, and the album designer, everything has a fresh editorial vibe now. When your clients then open the gallery, it feels like opening a magazine, not just a file manager. The new interface is way cleaner, the navigation is smoother, and the print shop got completely redesigned. They also added a next-gen album creator that uses AI to build personalized albums based on your client's preference, which is pretty amazing. And I will get to all of this later. But first, let's walk you through the interface and how I set up my galleries from start to finish. Alright, let's jump right into it. PIC-TIME interface. The gallery setup. Once you create a new gallery in PIC-TIME, you have a few key decisions to make. First, do you want to upload high-res files or web-size photos? Now, here's what I do. I upload high-res files because PIC-TIME handles all the web version automatically. Your client will see at the end the web-size preview, and then when they purchase or download, they will get the high-resolution files. You don't need to manage two separate folders. Everything is in one place. Then there's also the watermark. You can apply a watermark globally to all your images in the gallery. This is super important because you want to protect your work, especially when clients share their gallery links to friends or family. The watermark is visible in the gallery view, but it will be removed when they purchase prints and download your files. Pretty clean solution. Let me show you this more. So here, that's the interface from PIC-TIME, and you have the option here for client galleries, create your client gallery, and you see your portfolio pages here. The automation and shop functions are here. All the settings, the pricing, campaigns, sales automation, everything you can customize. Then you have also the art gallery and the automations here. And in settings, this is where your profile, your billings or brand design and everything sits. Like everything you basically can customize. So now if you want to create a client gallery, you click here on client gallery and then you can choose a new one. And then you click just the name here. Let's say photography. So you go to next, you give all the details in here and say travel. If you have already a gallery type set up, then you go to create gallery, and here's now where you say like travel or your client name or even the first batch or something. And when you click on add, you have a plugin which pops up here, which you installed before. You just drag and drop your images, or you go and select your images, and let's say only for test purpose you use these ones. And now what you see here, on top. It uploads all the files and in high resolution. So it's basically compressed them as a web view and then also as a high resolution, which they only get when they are download or they buy the photos. This all you can set up in your gallery settings or in the overall settings. So you can choose which size of web resolution should be, and that's like super easy. And then you can set also watermarks and everything. So okay, and once you uploaded all your images, so you have here the option to create a slideshow, blog article, or you can even add new scenes with other photos. And yeah, that's the pretty simple way. The way how you do it, you click how the blog post should look like, you can choose here, and then you go here to the next step, you write all your details, and that way you can just make a nice blog post, very simple, very easy, and then you can add also the SEO text and everything. This is the main features from PIC-TIME, where you have so much options to customize it to your or your client brand. Let's move to the next feature, which is my favorite, the Adobe Lightroom integration. If you're like me and you edit everything in Adobe Lightroom Classic, this is going to save you so much time. With PIC-TIME you have a direct Lightroom Classic plugin. So once you're done editing your photos and you have your color tag or star rating for selecting your photos, you just publish them straight from Lightroom to your PIC-TIME gallery. No exporting, no drag and drop photos around or uploading it manually. You select your collection, hit publish, and PIC-TIME handles the rest. And when you update any images in Lightroom, maybe you are recrop or adjust the exposure, it will sync automatically. This is a huge time saver, especially if you are delivering multiple galleries per week. Okay, that's cool. But what about before delivering the final photos to your client? This is what I mostly do after checking thousands of photos and adding a quick edit correction to the photos. I will then upload all these into a gallery in Lightroom. Now the time-saving part. Once I send the gallery link to the client, they can now log in or sign up with their email and select the favorite photos. And guess what? This will get synced with Lightroom and it shows you the selected photos, so you can focus on just the final edit now. After this, you can create a highlight gallery or final photo section which syncs with the gallery automatically. Then you can give access to the client that he can download the high quality photos and the other photos in maybe low res quality with watermark on it. So now, if the client wants to buy more photos, they can do this over PIC-TIME. And as you uploaded already the high resolution photos, it's very easy. They just click and buy. This works only if you uploaded the final edit photos in high resolution. The client has even the option to create a magazine, a book or print canvas, and you have no extra work, only cash comes in. This is super efficient. Okay, let's go to the next step, which is blog post feature with SEO optimization. This is something most photographers sleep on. PIC-TIME lets you create blog posts directly from your gallery images. And these are not just regular blog posts, they are SEO optimized. So what does it mean? It means when someone searches for wedding photographer in your city or brand photographer in your area, your blog post can then actually show up in their Google search result. People will find you through your own gallery content and they will then book you. This is huge. Most gallery platforms just deliver photos. PIC-TIME helps people find you in the first place. You select images from your gallery, write some text, publish, and PIC-TIME handles the SEO structure behind the scenes. It's like having a mini website for every shoot you deliver. Alright, there's another feature which I really love. PIC-TIME has an AI-powered gallery search. Your client can search through their gallery and using keywords or even face recognition. Imagine this: a wedding gallery with over 800 images. The mother of the bride wants to find all her photos. She types in her name or just click on her face in one of the photos and PIC-TIME surfaces every single photo she's in. No scrolling through hundreds of photos, not asking you, can you send me the ones I'm in? You probably know all these questions always. This is such a smart feature because it keeps your client in the gallery longer, and then longer they stay, then more likely they want to buy some prints. So this is where we go to the next section, which is the shop, offer and automation function. Now let's talk about the moneymaker, the shop. PIC-TIME has a built-in print store and over 30 global partners. Your client opens their gallery, they see a beautiful shop experience with your images already previewed on products, such as Canva print, framed pictures, albums, greeting cards, everything. They click, they order, the lab handles production and shipping, and you get paid. And here's what makes it different from other platforms, the smart product preview. When your client browses through their gallery, PIC-TIME automatically shows them their images on products, not generic mockups. Your photo in Canvas, your photo in a frame, it's not a separate shop they have to find. It's right there in your gallery. Then there's the offer function. You can create special offers like discounts on the prints for the first 48 hours after gallery delivery. This creates urgency. Your client gets the gallery, they are excited, and boom, there's a limit time offer sitting right there. It works. And behind all of this, PIC-TIME runs automated email funnels and an abandoned cart system. If a client adds something to their cart but doesn't check out, PIC-TIME follows up automatically. This is e-commerce level marketing built into your photo gallery. That's pretty amazing, right? My final thoughts, and who is it for? So here's my final feedback. PIC-TIME 2.0 is for photographer who wants more than just delivery. It's for you if you want your gallery to look stunning, if you want your clients to have a wow experience, and if you want to actually make money from your print sales without doing all the manual work. The Lightroom integration saves so much time. The SEO blog post brings your new client. The AI search keeps people in your gallery longer. The shop, the offer, the abandoned cart system, they all turn your gallery into something that works for you even when you're not sitting at your computer. And the 2.0 update, the additional redesign is beautiful, it feels premium, your client will feel the difference. The only request I would love to have when creating magazines or books to add some extra text. Like write something there, like similar to the blog post, and put it in there, or even the client can do this at the end. Overall, this is just my opinion, and I don't want to miss PIC-TIME in my whole workflow anymore. If you're interested in PIC-TIME, you can start free for 30 days using PIC-TIME with no credit card requirement. I will put the link down below in the description. This will also support my YouTube channel here and doing these honest reviews or any other tutorials. Thank you so much for that. Alright folks, that was my honest review about PIC-TIME 2.0, and if you have any questions about anything, let me know in the comments down below, because I read every single comments and try to answer your questions. And don't forget, if this video helped you, smash the like button, subscribe to my channel for more videos, and until then, see you in the next video. Peace!